Welcome to Mindful Cooking at Geetha's Kitchen. Today's special is Panang curry. Panang curry is a type of red Thai curry that is thick, salty and sweet with a nutty peanut flavor. This is a very healthy, tasty, easy version of Panang curry. For making the curry, we need 1 white onion, 1 red bell pepper, 2 carrots, 1 zucchini, 1 cup coriander leaves, 1/3 cup peanut butter or paste, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon garlic powder or minced garlic, 1 package firm tofu, 1 cup coconut milk, 1/4 cup tomato paste, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 can vegetable broth, 2 teaspoons salt, chili powder and green chillies to adjust the spice level. Heat 2 tablespoons coconut oil or any cooking oil. Add diced onion and stir. Add the carrot cubes. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, or you can even use minced garlic, and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and mix. Cover the vegetables and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the diced capsicum or bell pepper and zucchini cubes. Mix well. Add 1/4 cup tomato paste. And mix well. Add 1 tablespoon curry powder. I got this curry powder from the Chinese store, and mix it. Add 1 teaspoon salt and mix well. Add half can vegetable broth. It's optional. If you don't have vegetable broth, you can even use 1 cup water. Mix well. Cover the mix and cook for 8 to 10 minutes in medium heat. Vegetables are cooked. Do not overcook the vegetables. Add tofu cubes and mix well. Add the rest of the vegetable broth and mix it. Add 3/4 cup coconut milk and mix well. Cover it and let the mix boil. Add 1 teaspoon crushed green chillies to adjust the spiciness.
It smells so good. Oh, it smells like a Thai. Yo, little mama, let me whisper in the ear.
Taste the curry. Add chili powder if needed. Add 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Add 1/4 cup peanut butter or paste. Mix well. Add salt if needed. Add the rest of the coconut milk and mix well. Now you can add the coriander leaves, chop the coriander leaves. Panang curry is ready. This goes well with the steamed rice, roti or naan. Enjoy. I will type all the ingredients in the description box. Please check. Please try the recipe and leave comments. Please like and subscribe to Geetha's Kitchen. Thank you for watching.